Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadien Snem Pynkhie baka Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum kala sange ban penlong ya ka tamasa senrai lani ka Shillong Autumn Festival katu kaningut kisamla kila shimya ka jingit kle ban beteng da ka penlong ya kani ka tamasa kum kawai na kilat ban kentiu ya ki kam jungok kai perthai hakani ka nong ba Shillong haba keren kilat patai kubor haka sngi arpau tarik urisau arajar khatpra kakong alithia kenta kabalong kanong yalam jongka Opus production kalaya thu baka jing angnut ban penlong ya kani ka tamasa kalong ban kentiu ya ki kam jungok kai perthai hakani ka jila Meghalaya kabalong kawai na ki jila hakani ka thain chite lamingi kabapau nam haka jingdon ki jaka jungok kai perthai ki ba itanat bat ki ba khring bha ya ki brio na ki wei pat ki jila jongka doba India bat na ki wei pat ki ri jongka perthai kalai thuru bahagani ka tamasa kaban salong ha ka arpun rio bat arpunyo tarik mentau benai risau ha orchid lake umyam on sawan ra ya ke jingpen bernya ba lai puja syaki pait ba ki bawani shimenta hagani ka tamasa ka ba arsngi.
This year, the festival that we've planned will be along the same lines as how Autumn Festival used to be. So it'll be like a family-oriented event. We'll have a lot of activities for the children, for the family. We'll have a lot of cultural shows. And obviously, since it's our first time, we're trying to make it not too complicated and not coming out with some big theme or something. So we're just going to stick with the basics, stick to music and stick to entertainment.
We just wanted to basically revive this event. And we've been running around for help, and we've visited a lot of different venues, a lot of different potential sponsors and departments. So far till now, we have gotten help from certain angles, but we're looking forward to a bigger tie-up in the years to come, because what we are planning to do is not just do Shillong Autumn Fest just this year, but we're planning to do it every other following year. So, trying to keep that standard level of what MTTF had left it with, we're trying to take that and push forward.